What is a blog? If you're confused about what is a blog, how it works, and if this is something you would want to do, you have come in the right place. So today I'm going to deal the basic definition of a blog and differentiate it from a website. Officially or in a definition, a website is something that has a set of related web pages. That is, related web pages under a single domain name. For example, www.xyz.com. This is a domain name. For this domain name, we have few web pages, that is home, about, contact, and services. Even a blog page too. Okay. This everything is related to the single domain name. It is talking about this single business. So this is what we call it as a website. Now, how do you differentiate a blog from a website? For that, I'm going to explain you a website, show you a website. For example, take this website. This is some XYZ website or a company website that has few pages. Home page, services page, testimonials, careers, portfolio, and contact us. What they do here is they are doing few services like web design, online marketing, search engine. These everything is a content. Okay, on home page they are sharing as that this is a company and we are doing all these things here. Okay, but what is the thing is the content remains the same, or the content remains same for a few period of time until and unless I make some changes here or we are good at. The content is going to remain the same. I'm not going to change it every time under services. I'm not going to change every time under testimonials. So these are what a website that has web pages that remain same for a few period of time, and I call these website as static website. So there is another website that you should know, that is dynamic website. This one we have seen, and dynamic website. A website that has a blog and the content is keep on changing. Blog is what? For example, you consider my website with a blog attached to it. What I do is I frequently update few content. That is, I am teaching or sharing some of my experiences, or I am sharing something with this world. That is what we call it as a blog. That is a content. And see, this is opened. Read post. So how to create a favicon for your blog? Like I'm sharing something that is to you and I keep on adding value with some content. That is what we call it as a dynamic website. A website with a blog page is a dynamic content or dynamic website, which means the content is changing and the content remains same. This is the basic difference between a blog and a website. Now, a blog is something, the content that you read online. For example, when you go online and you search for best mobiles under 20k. See, first result, best phones under 20,000 in India. That is updated on July 27th. So this is a blog. They are updating every now and then. There are around 2.2 billion blogs in the world. Okay. The content that you are reading online is a blog. Okay. Now, there are two types. A blog is a website. And the second one is a blog. A website has a blog. The first one, this one, a blog is a website, is an example of all the news sites. So their work is keep on updating the content. The second one, a website that has a blog, is what my type of website. Actually, the basic purpose of the blog is a website is to share content. They make revenue with the content. Okay. And the second thing, a website has a blog is something different from that. For example, a website is for a company, they are selling some services, or they are having some courses they are offering, or there are some physical products they are selling, some digital products they are selling. The main revenue is from these products. For organic reach, they have a blog. This is the difference between a blog is a website and a website that has a blog. My website is that, see, for example, what I do is, I'm a digital marketing consultant, so I have some tools and I have some shop and I do consulting services. So in the shop I sell my digital products, and when you somehow work with me, or when you click there, you can have a 15-minute consulting call. So the main revenue for me is making money through this. But for my organic reach, what I do is I have a blog, so that when there are people entering the keywords, my website will land there. That is for the purpose of organic reach, I am having a blog. This is what is the difference between a blog and a website is a blog. Okay. This is really important. Why? Because the B2B companies, that is business to business companies, have a blog to reach the other business partners. And the same way, if you have a blog for a hobby, or if you're journaling something, or a lifestyle blog, it is like something to B2C, just for readers, just for visitors. They have come read and buy something from you, and they don't come back to you, or they come back to you for some other thing to get. That is the difference between the blog and a website. I hope that you are clear with the primary purpose of blog. Okay. Next, what can I use a blog for? See, first one is to get your organic reach. Organic reach means without spending money. You are not spending money for ads, without paid ads. When I go here in Google and I enter the keyword best mobile phones under 20K, so there are, see, you have around 17 lakhs and 30,000 results. Out of 17 lakhs and 30,000 results, in 50 seconds, I have got this gadgets.ndtv.com. This is an organic reach. I have entered this keyword. For that keyword, this page is ranking. That is what we call it as page ranking. For organic reach, you can use your blog for an organic reach. In case if you are selling some products, for example, you go best page builders for WordPress. So you have the result here. 6 best drag and drop WordPress page builders compared, and Tin Monster, Pagely, Elementor. See, Elementor, it is ranking around in the second page. I mean, it will be 11th or 12th. Free WordPress page builder plugin. Like, to sell your services. You can use your blog to sell your services. Here the service is page building theme. They are giving a theme. Okay, you can use to sell your coaching class or teach something. You can promote products, affiliate marketing. For everything you can blog. You can blog about all these things. You can blog about. The next common question is types of blogs. So there are so many types of blogs. If I want to talk about the blogs and types, I should make a separate video on that because it is so deep and so depth. In case I want to concentrate on only two important things. One is niche blogs and the second is the lifestyle blogs. The lifestyle blog is something you write about anything that you know or that covers whatever they want. For example, I'm a blogger, I'm a mom, and I cover my life history. I document my life happenings, how I grow my kids, how I grow my garden, how I cook, how I manage my house. I write about everything that I know and I wanted to write. So that is what we call it as a lifestyle blog or hobby blogs. The second is niche blogs. That is where the B2B companies come in. Next is niche blogs in the sense they talk about one topic or one master topic that holds all the other topics in depth. That is what we call it as niche blogs. These are the two most things that you should know. The favorite part of most of the bloggers and the most questions asked here is, how do bloggers make money? Everyone starts blog for making money nowadays. And that's true. You can make good money with blog, okay? There are few ways that you could make money. You can use Google AdSense or some other network. Ads network. There are so many ads network. You can display ads in your blog, and when the visitors come and click on the ads, you will get a decent amount of money. Good percentage of money, okay? The second way to make money is recommend products. You can recommend few products in Amazon, Flipkart, everything, and you can make a good percentage of money with that sale, each sale. Third one is selling other people's product or promoting other people's product. And the fourth one here is selling your own digital products. When you have few digital products, you can sell those digital products using this. And the last or the most important is selling your services, courses, subscriptions. So this way you could make money with your blog. I hope I have stuffed all those basic questions that every beginner has. What is a blog and what do we know about a website and a blog? The basic difference between blog is a website and a website has a blog. Types of blog and how do bloggers make money. This is an overall view of blogging. If you're ready to get rolling, make sure to check out our post on how to start a blog, a step-by-step beginner guide that has 7,000 and more words. I have given the complete detail and you can find it on the description below. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'm gonna add few values or the most important values for the bloggers throughout this week. Thank you.